Let the waves sweep along, 'cause I've got them deep river blues. Hey everybody, Ivan Rosenberg here. Looking forward to teaching my next camp for Nashville Acoustic Camps. This will be over Zoom, and it's called Solo Dobro Part 2. We'll be continuing with what we learned in Part 1 by doing a solo arrangement, probably first, of my version of Desperado, all solo on the Dobro key of G, using the same ideas in terms of arpeggios and chords that we learned in Solo Dobro Part 1, although we'll be getting more into making minor chords built off the root on the B strings. And I think you're going to have fun with that. We're also going to get into some alternating thumb picking like I was just doing with that tune, Deep River Blues, kind of in the Doc Watson style. So I'm looking forward to showing you that. I have a system for teaching you how to get your thumb to do the thing while playing melody notes. So that's what we'll do in the first week. We'll learn some exercises to drill your Travis style picking, show you some more in the way of arpeggios for you to learn to deal with tunes like Desperado. We'll also probably get into another finger picky tune. I was thinking maybe Hello in there by John Prine, which I've recorded before, to show you how to contend with some of the minor chords when you're doing alternating thumb picking. Anyway, it's going to be a great workshop. We're going to learn a ton of stuff. I hope to see a lot of you there. All right. Take care, y'all.